Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom home for sale. It is located in the cool, quiet hills of Chancery Hall, Kingston 19, with lush greenery and tranquil surroundings. Situated in a cul-de-sac and almost 1.3 acres of land, charming private garden with verdant landscaping, ideal for outdoor entertainment and family gatherings. On entry, a warm welcome awaits, coupled with elegant decor and fine finishes throughout. The layout is spacious and comfortable, perfect accommodation for a growing family. The floor plan seamlessly integrates the indoors and outdoors. All 8 bedrooms lead to a covered terrace, overlooking serene views of the city and mountains. The large master bedroom suite offers a relaxing space for intimacy and solace. This estate also includes an entertainment area, a self-contained suite on the lower level, along with a double carport and staff quarters. This meticulously maintained home is a remarkable find and could be the home for you. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.